Hey YouTube, Kyle here, and I got my new response trigger parts in today. Um, yeah, I tried to make the video a minute ago, but it lasted way too long, so, just take it apart, take your marker apart, not completely, just, remove the trigger, okay, and to put the, response trigger in it, like I have here, um, like I have here, you just take it, remove all those screws right there, all of them, and just pull it apart and set that down in there, and then take your trigger, set it down, and take your safety. Nope. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd my safety go? There it is. It fell in my lap. Take your safety and put it back on there, and then just set it off to the side. Okay. And then what I did was I removed my cyclone from it, so it sits a little flatter, and then I removed this bolt, and this bolt. Okay. And you have to remove this bolt right here completely. So you can put your response in. So that that little nut needs to come out. Yeah. So now I'm going to attempt to put it in there. Crap. It's not wanting to cooperate. Crap. Sorry you can't see it. I got it in my lap. It's not wanting to cooperate. Try not to damage it at all. That might get it off. Go in there. Got your card open. Why not go down in there? There we go. Okay. I got it in. Okay. There's a little screw head, little thing that where'd it go? That this screws into, and make sure that is facing on the right side of the marker. If you're looking down it, it's facing that way, off to the right. Then, once you got that in, just put all your bolts back in. Okay. I'm only at 3 minutes, that ain't bad. Of course, I had it already disassembled and everything. So what I did with the bolt that I completely took out and everything, put the little nut back on it and just stuck it in my little toolbox that I have. Stuck it in one of the pockets. So, or not pockets, but one of the little things. So, okay, you put your bolts back on, and then you can take it and screw it on. Do not use any tools, just finger tight. Because if you use any tools, it's going to screw it up. So, okay. If you do that, you can go ahead and put your trigger back on. Okay. Put your trigger back on. Oops. Make sure it goes down all the way where the holes are lined up in the back. Okay, then put this little piece back down in there. And then put your butt plate or stock back on. I don't have my little, oh well. I had a little wedge that I put in there, just a little rubber thing. Little, I guess you could call it a riser pad from the Tech Decks. Just took one, folded it in half, and hey, it's still down in there. Yeah, I just took it, folded it in half, and stuck it down in there as a little shim to keep it from shaking and moving. Okay? And then put all this back into place. Now, it should look like this. Of course, your cyclone is still taking off, so and now you can take it and put your cyclone back on. So stupid Allen key. Did y'all see that? It jumped from my hand. Yeah. Okay. Once you got it like that with your cyclone back on, you want to take your hose. Make sure when you put the hose together, there's a little brass fitting that goes in here, a little brass thing. Shove it down in there, and then put this on. So, and grab your flathead screwdriver, and don't tighten it too much. Just kind of set it on there. Grab your other bolt thing, screw, and put it in there. Okay, don't screw in there sideways. I don't want to screw you up. Oh, come on. Yeah, put together for the first. Come on. Now you want to go in there. This might take me a minute. Almost got it. Screw in there sideways. You might actually have to wind up taking your cyclone back off and doing this. But mine's going to be a freaking pain in the butt. There we go. There we go. And just tighten it down just a little, not too much. And then kind of bend the hose coming over here. Okay, this is the first time I've had this problem. So it's not. There we go. Okay, then take this and put it down in here. It's not wanting to. Or you want to go down in there. Ah. Ah. Crap it. You can't use a screwdriver on this because there's a little adjuster knob right here that you use to adjust the flow. And to test if it's working properly, turn it all the way, or pull it, I think, all the way out as far as you can. And when you pull the trigger, if you have any air hooked up to it, it should push forward and stay. Yeah. This is wanting to be a pain in my butt right now, and I do not know why. It's not like my gun got any longer since I last put it on there. Being a little butthole. Okay, I'm just unscrewing. Yeah, this is going to be quitting in a minute, so I'll just put this video up, and hopefully y'all won't have as much trouble as I did. So